So this customer has gone for a 4-part dash kit. We've already done the other side, but before doing this side, before putting the steering wheel on, we thought you'd show you how to install the parts this side. So I've got the 4th piece here, and they just slide and locate into place, and then we've got the 2 bolts either side. So with this top piece, again, that just locates into place, and then the 2 screws going on the top. Cool. And there you go.